Hey everybody, welcome back to Dutch Chef Builds. This is a single take update. Not sure which number it is, but let's go into it. I'm just going to show you where I'm at, and for those of you that don't know, I have been working on the engine, trying to get it started, and I'm having a lot of trouble with it. So that's what I've been thinking about for the last week and a half, trying out little things. And I've got spark. I've even replaced these the spark plugs. I've cleaned out the carbs like 3 times. So as you can see, I've even the paint's come off with all the carb cleaner because it's really nasty stuff. It just won't run. It goes poof, 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 and that's it. So I'm really confused about what am I going to do now. Could be the ignition, but the timing seems alright. What else could it be? I think maybe the battery's not giving enough. So I don't think so. I've measured it out and the voltage seems fine. But I could try a different battery maybe. I've tested the vacuum on the pistons and I've got compression, so that's not the problem. But for some reason the fuel isn't going from the carbs because the floats are full. That is working, but it's just not going into the engine for some reason. So I really don't know what's going on. Maybe it's still the carbs, or maybe I'll just get a different set. Maybe there's not a good vacuum with these because they were a bit dodgy. So maybe if I change that, then it'll suck the fuel in. But well, I'll just have to keep trying, I guess. But well, apart from that, the electrics are completely done now, and that video will be coming out, I think, in coming week. Got a nice new headlight from Caferacerwebshop.com. Please check them out and use the link in my description, the affiliate link. That will help me out. But as you can see, I've got all the electrics in, and it looks really nice. So, oh yeah, this could be a problem maybe, the coils, that they don't work properly, but they give spark, so, but maybe they're not okay. I've measured them through and one is a bit dodgy, so I may replace that as well. Well, yeah, so I've got some time on my hands while this has to somehow magically start to work, but still not a lot of other stuff to do. One of those things is this tank, which obviously fell from there to there. So I've got a big dent here and all the damage over here. I think the other side is okay, but still the paint job was a bit crappy and I want to change the color anyway. So I think that will be the first thing I'm going to do now, is sand this beautiful tank, which is a shame of course, but and do the inside as well, because that needs to be derusted. And the other thing I need to do is these exhaust pipes. They need to be sanded, and these bits were put on by the former owner, so I'm going to take those off and then derust these pipes, paint them, and maybe wrap them as well. So that will be a cool thing to do, as I'm still fiddling on trying to get this thing to run. But it should work. I don't see any reason why not. But if you've got any ideas on that engine, why this Suzuki GS is not running, yeah, just let me know, because I can really use your help. But first thing, I really think it's something to do with the carbs for some reason. I'm not quite sure. I don't think it's the ignition, but maybe that's where I'm going wrong, and it is the ignition. So, but anyway, that is a single update for this week. I've had a bit of a holiday as well, so that's why I haven't been putting on any videos, apart from the build I did on the furniture, but please check it out. I think it came out really nice. For now, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in one of the next episodes, probably the electrics. Alright, thank you for watching, and stay safe.